Welcome to our channel!
Since you know that today is Women's Day, I'm going to make banana and apple oat smoothie for my mom. And that's without sugar. So let's get started. So we're going to make banana and oat smoothie first. So for the smoothie, I took 1 banana, 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoon oats, 3 to 4 dates, seedless. First things first, we're gonna soak the oats and the dates with milk for 5 minutes. Has been done, so it's time to peel the Mr. Banana. It is finally milk time. Smoothie is ready. Mommy, this is just for you.
Wow, thank you. It's delicious.
Thank you.
Bravo.
Our second smoothie is oats and apple. First things first, we're going to cut the apple. Wait a second, we have to also wash the apple first. Now let's cut the apple. Also take a help of your mom. Now we're gonna soak the oats and dates with the milk like the previous recipe. Now it's the time to add the apples. Shake, 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 drink milkshake. Our second smoothie is also ready. This is the second smoothie for you, Mommy.
Thank you, my love. Amazing.
Thank you. I hope you guys like our Women's Day special smoothies video. So please like, share and subscribe.
Thank you for watching.
You guys have a great Women's Day. Thank